Hello everyone. Welcome to today's adventure in Japan, where we'll explore the picturesque towns of Takayama and Shirakawago. From scenic bus rides to fascinating cultural treasures, I'll share everything about my trip, including unique experiences like making miso in Takayama and learning about the legends of the Wada House in Shirakawago. Let's dive in. Our journey began with a comfortable bus ride from Nagoya to Takayama. The scenic drive, which takes about 2.5 hours or 2.5 hours, was filled with views of mountains and quaint villages. Upon arrival in Takayama, I checked into Western Hotal Takayama. The hotel was conveniently located and perfect for a cozy stay. The next morning, I headed to the Miyagawa Morning Market. Stretching along the Miyagawa River, the market was bustling with locals and tourists. I saw vendors selling fresh fruits, pickles, traditional crafts, and even Hida beef skewers. It was a vibrant atmosphere where I couldn't resist picking up some handmade souvenirs and tasting the local specialties. From the market, I walked over to Sanmachi, the heart of Takayama's Old Town. This area is like stepping back in time, with Edo-period wooden buildings lining the narrow streets. The shops here were charming, offering everything from traditional sake to artisan crafts. One highlight was visiting a workshop where they demonstrated how to make miso, the fermented soybean paste that's essential to Japanese cuisine. I even tried mixing some myself. Another fascinating spot was a sake distillery, where I got to see the brewing process and taste some samples. It was rich, smooth, and uniquely flavored. The next day, I took a Nohi bus from Takayama to Shirakawago, which is about an hour's journey. Shirakawago is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its gassho-zukuri houses. These traditional farmhouses, with their steep, thatched roofs, are designed to withstand heavy snow in winter. Walking around, I learned about the village's occupations, which include farming, weaving, and craft making. Despite modern developments, the community maintains its historical lifestyle, giving you a glimpse into the past. To get a panoramic view of the village, I hiked up a narrow path to the Shirakawago Viewpoint. The walk took about 20 minutes and was surrounded by lush greenery. At the top, the sight was breathtaking. A stunning view of the gassho-zukuri houses nestled in the valley, framed by mountains. It was a picture-perfect moment. One of the must-visit spots in Shirakawago is the Wada House, the largest and most well-preserved gassho-zukuri farmhouse. This house has a fascinating history, as it once belonged to a prominent family who served as village leaders. Inside, you can see traditional tools, household items, and exhibits on silk farming, which was a major occupation here. Legends say the house is protected by the spirits of the ancestors, adding a mystical charm. The wooden beams and thatched roofs architecture were remarkable, offering a deep appreciation for the craftsmanship of the past. Takayama and Shirakawago are treasures of Japan, combining history, culture, and natural beauty. From strolling through Takayama's old streets to marveling at Shirakawago's iconic farmhouses, this trip was an unforgettable experience. If you're planning a visit to Japan, these destinations should definitely be on your list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.